first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Wait, I want to. Okay, what is it? What is it?
Hey.
Hi kids, today is the first day of Advent of Christmas. Christmas is one of the
And more celebrated holiday. December 1st marks one of the cold months, festive spirit and joy of celebration. This would be the first day of the last month of this year. This year hasn't been kind to us at all, but kind of to get enough through every day with God's grace. So the Advent calendar should not only be the reminder of just gifts on food or clothing, but true of spirit of love, bonding, caring, sharing, and much more. Hope this year ends in a beautiful melody and start the new year with a sweet note. Let's get started.
I go first. You are the moonlight of our own family. Keep glowing, always love you.
You are sun, yes, you are our light as well. Love you loads, Mom.
Loads. Hi kids, today we wouldn't be having any task well except setting up the Advent calendar. Have a happy first day Advent. Love you very much, my little darlings. Also,
Snickers bar.
also get your own coupons for what? This is our Christmas tree. Let's get it onto it, putting our Advent calendar onto it.
You guys can have one candy each per day of your choice. Okay, now for the coupon time.
Movie of your choice on movie night. Yes!
No chore day.
But I what's up?
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree.
Hello guys, good morning.
Today is December 2nd and second day of the Advent calendar. Let's open.
No, I don't know.
The last one.
You are funny. Yes, you are. The reason you cry for is funny. For us to laugh, love you.
Kutima, you are so kind. Kind to anyone you come across. That's something that I hope sticks to you and grow as you grow. Love, Mom.
So first, Kutima, you have to take 10 items of your favorite color in the house and take pictures of them. Okay? Yeah.
Go ahead.
Wait. And Papa, you need to stack 5 cookies or gummies or whatever on someone's nose or face. Take a picture.
Red.
Ah!
Red.
You can do different colors.
Red.
Hey, floor pan, do you like it?
The day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see.
Balloon.
Ooh, balloon.
Kutima. You are patient, especially with me, even if you have something to say. You hear me patiently. That's a quality which would help you very much. Love you.
December 3rd, 2020, Amu Papa. You are always the stubborn one. Stand your opinion and get your things done. Get it is
Sure.
something that you definitely need in future. Love you. No.
Today we'll be doing balloon walk. You know what it means? One can win without the other. Go hand in hand, not just today, not just for the game, but every day. Be there for each other. Supportive. Love you, Mom.
Blow a balloon. Hold it between your legs. Walk together to a destination. Make sure balloon doesn't fall. So let's do the balloon walk right now. We have to walk from here to all the way to around. No, that's me. Gotcha. Yes, we got you.
Okay, we got a checkpoint. That's good. Okay.
No, you did this 2 times. I really wonder, being so young, you have the skill to get through the group. Your ability will only add value to you. Good job, love, Amu.
Kutima, you are curious in a right way. Kutima, you are curious in a right way. You never stepped out of line and always had an urge to know and learn stuff. One of the good quality, keep going. Love, Amma. Okay.
Honey buns, let's step up the game today. Let's play a little with colors and food. It's pasta time. Yes, you heard it right. It's not for dinner. Guessed it right. Feel free to make an art or craft or jewelry using pasta with or without colors. All the best, dearies. Choose pasta and color of your choice. Dye pasta using these colors and let it dry. Using glue or string, make any jewelry for yourself or as gift. Tip: you can make bracelets or chain easily with penny.
As for the Advent challenge, we made a green necklace, 2 green earrings, and a green bracelet.
I made these two.
So today's task is done. Time to eat the candy.
I don't know yet. So, you are one of the cutest thing I have seen. Well, figure of speech. Everything you do and don't do are so cute. Love you, Amma. Day 5.
Kutima, you are always going to be 10 in few days. 3 weeks to be exact. But you are still so innocent. The way you are so clueless about something is to be amused. This is golden period. Love you, Pasapa.
Today we will be setting up the Christmas tree. Lighting of the Christmas tree is something that we wait to do throughout the year. So come on, let's get the lights on. And get your coupons.
Yes,
coupons day.
Yeah, give me the coupon.
Bring Christmas tree from storage space. Spread it out. Hang ornaments. Well, there is no rule. Just do as you like. Light it up.
Light it up. Extra story time or pillow fight.
Picnic with the parents. This is our Christmas tree, and we're getting ready.
On the 6th day of
Christmas, my true love gave to me.
my mama gave to me.
My true love mama gave to me.
Let's go and see.
Is that coupon day? Amu, you are such a joyful person to be. You don't get upset like we do. Even if you happen to, it just stays for a few seconds to minutes. It's so good to be around you. We are influenced by your happiness. Stay happy always. Love you, Amma.
Dear Kutuna, you are humble person. Your thoughts and deeds are quite matured, considerate, and lean towards others' happiness.
Bless you.
Bless you, bless you. May
Bless
the
you.
force be with you.
You listen. Polite in behavior. May your successes never take your humbleness away. Love you, Pacific.
May the force be with you 2 times.
Hey guys, hope you guys liked your coupon. For today's task, it's easy one. I'm sure you guys gonna pitch it so good. Pitching pennies. I know you think it's for smaller kids. Don't worry, I'll increase your stake so you guys could be on the edge. All the best. Love you. True. A container or maybe a glass will be placed at a considerable distance. Toss pennies so it gets inside the cup. Here's a fun fact. Whatever gets in when you toss belongs to you.
On the first week of Christmas, my mama came to me, come and let's see.
I'm a rigid person, and I would say that's a bless to have when people are around have too many options and try to influence it. It's good to be rigid. You have the whole idea of you and your life. Don't let anyone stop you. Love you.
Like I said before, you are considerate of what people feel about you, about your actions and words. You make sure you don't hurt anyone even by mistake. It is good quality that I hope sticks with you. Love you, Isabel.
Task for today. Hey sweeties, you guys like to throw stuff, right? Let's do it the right way. Use your imagination to have a hoop and play a basketball with anything you have. By anything excludes the hazardous stuff, as you guys already know. So let's see how many you guys can score. Goal! A hoop will be set up for you, or you can make your own.
No.
Toss any object that could get in. Aim it every time from a different spot or a different way to make it fun. Tip: run and toss, hop and toss, turn around and toss.
Go upstairs and throw it down.
Yeah.
Give to me a note and a candy and a cat.
Kutima, all kids just buzz around you. Do you know, to the pure at heart, kids gets attracted. So I'm blessed with a little man who's friendly and good at heart. Love you. Papa, you're one strong cookie. Many times I have noticed you wiping away your tears and chin up, walk strong. Yes, you are such a strong person. Stay strong always. Love you. Okay, task for today. Darlings, your task for today is going to be bowling.
Decide quicker.
Quicker!
Is yours?
Mine.
Thank you.
Mine.
You have to get that.
You're hardworking. If you set your heart in the things you feel is important, then you put all your efforts to see through the end. And of course, with success. So all we need to do is enforce you, then you will be the hardworking one.
Interest you.
Yes, you.
Kutima, you are hardworking, ready to get things done quickly, to spend more time for yourself, or to learn so it helps in your betterment, or to be it any way. In any of the ways, the way you take, you put in all your efforts and get things done. Love you.
The game of the day is Pictionary. Let's make it a family event. Come up with ideas to make it fun and difficult. Let's have fun drawing and teasing. Love you. Rules. Random name, place, or even a sentence would be given. Draw and show it to the other person. They should figure it out. Fact, you both belong to the same team, so make sure you draw well and try.
Face reveal. Face on my face.
3, 2, 1.
Pizza.
Pizza. Good
Pikachu.
job. Good
Pizza
job,
picture.
guys.
Pee-pee. It's Pee-pee.
Good.
I'm gonna put 2. So every step is measured, taking time to enjoy every single thing that you got lost and lose track of the main task. Sometimes it isn't good, but I'm glad you're living your fullest. Enjoy your every minute. All these minutes
You are like the storm, fiery force, sometimes that pushes everything in its way. The force is good, the fastness is good, but direct it in right volume in the needed situation. You will be the best. Keep going, sweetheart.
Task for today. Today's task would be interesting for you both. Ice tower evacuation. One of your favorite toys is hidden in the ice. 4 guys are freezing. Please save them ASAP. Maybe some hot cocoa to go with would be great. Have fun, have a great. Your favorite toy is hidden in the ice mountain. Do not wait till it melts by itself. Do not break the ice by throwing on the floor. Use your wit.
It's cold. The big ice film.
I didn't know you usually. Wait, what?
I might want to keep Pikachu like this.
Okay, you guys have 10 minutes. Go!
Wait!
Got my hands and I put up the hot water so my hands would be warm and it would help out. Oh yeah, it's big brain time. It's big brain time, big brain time. It's done!
With one of the parents.
Nice! I got a picnic and lunch.
Your choice with a parent for an hour.
What? wait, can I join?
Yeah, you can join.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it.
Stay tuned for the rest of the Advent days. Click on the notification bell for more notifications.
And subscribe. Share and comment as well.
Bye!